Welcome, 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 welcome. I'm so excited today. Like, wow. I'm so happy to be on your screen this particular time. I don't know when you're watching this, but I'm happy to be on your screen right now. Okay. So if you are a ladies, if you're a mommy, if you are girlies, this video is for you. Okay. The reason why I'm making this video is I want to give people updates. There's this update that I just catch, like I catch it and I hold it very tight for you guys. Okay. All right. So if you're interested in learning how you can earn online, if you're interested in earning online, or maybe you need it as a side hustle, but mind you, after this video, it's not gonna be a side hustle anyway. It's gonna be your main business because you're gonna love it and you benefit from it a lot. Okay. All right, welcome to my channel once again. This is Coach Good News. I'm here to give my women updates on how they can earn online. So in this page, we teach women how to earn online. We bring updates to you guys. So in today's edition, we are going to be learning this. Okay. All right, let's dive into the main thing. I don't want to take you guys too much time. Okay. All right, so before I make this video, I already have over 60 something women in the WhatsApp group already. My dear, women are not sleeping. Women are not sleeping. Don't depend on just one business. Oh, because you have a business, so for that is okay for you, my dear. You need to buckle up. You know how this country is. You need to hustle. You need to hustle before the economy will hustle you. So this update I'm bringing to you, over 18 persons have grabbed the opportunity by their hands and they are working on it right now as I'm speaking to you. And over 60 something women in the group already. Why more people are cashing out. All right. So what is this update all about? All right. So there's this app. And in this app, as a woman, everything you do in that app, you earn from it in USD. You know what's USD now? You earn from it in dollars. Now, the good part of it is that this dollars now you can withdraw it even to your Naira account. Either Opay, Palmpay, Fidelity Bank, First Bank, all those banks. You can withdraw your dollar into those banks. And you can as well withdraw this money into your dollar account if you have a dollar account. So now what do you do in this app? You do the only thing you need to do is tax. Now this tax takes 2 hours. Every 30 minutes you go claim your reward. Every 30 minutes you go claim your reward. The good part of it is that you don't need to stick to the app to do this tax. That's the good part of it. So you can be in this app, you can be doing your tax and same time using other apps. Like you minimize the app and you can go to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, Instagram, do whatsoever you want, and you're still doing your tax. You get what I'm saying? So you don't need to focus on the app. Like you have to sit still and be looking at the app to end. No. That's the good part of it. Only thing you need to do, just do go to your tax center, do your tax while staying online for these 2 hours. You are earning from the app. Now, this does not acquire you or require you linking your WhatsApp. You don't link anything. All you need to do is just register with your name, your email, and contact. If you have watched to this extent, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. And also give us a thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section. And secondly, let me tell you something. I know many people are not easily good in navigating apps. And so before now, I've already made tutorials on how this app works. Only for women. Yeah, men can also join, but their own tax is different from women. Now, for men, before you can chat a woman, in fact, if you chat any lady in the app, you're automatically paying the lady. Yes, your own earning will be used to pay that lady. So you see, we the women, we have nothing to lose. As a woman, you benefit in everything you do. As you sign into that app daily, as you're doing your tax, as you're referring people, everything you are doing in that app, you are being paid. And then verify your profile. Okay, verify your profile. And once you're done with this, you are good to go. So everything you're doing in that app, you're being paid for it as a lady, as a female, as a woman. You're being paid for. So that's the good part of it. And also, you don't need to pay any form of money to access this app. You don't have to pay any form of money to access this app. You don't need to pay any money for registration. Nothing. Is all free. It's all free. So if you're interested in joining the community of women who are ready to stand out through earning online, you can actually send us a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen. Send us a WhatsApp message and we are going to put you through. And please, if you've watched till this time, don't forget to click on the subscription button, because my next video is going to be how you can work in the app. Yes, I'm going to be doing a live tutorial on how you can go about the app in my next video. So if you're interested, send me a WhatsApp message. Remember, it's all free. In the description of this video, I've added a link where you can access everything you need to know and how you can be a member of our online gang. Okay, I'm not gonna request for any money. The app will not request for any money, just for my lovelies. Women, we cannot carry last. In fact, we know if you take last now. Now what for you? All right, so see you, my dear. Bye.